Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to add signature in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. We have two most common ways to add signature. First one, you can draw your signature, and the second one, you can import as a picture. To draw, in the ribbon, right-click, customize the ribbon. Here we have draw and ticket. Okay, draw is added to the menu bar. Here you have drawing tools. Which one you want, you can pick it. I'm going to choose this one. You can choose the thickness that you want or the color. Okay, I'm going to choose this one. Draw the signature here. Whatever you want, you can add it. Second way, import the picture. Navigate to Insert tab, Picture, add it. You can change the position or you can resize it. These were two most common ways to add your signature to your Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.